Control Room B, I have to say, was, for me, it's better than going to Disneyland or the Epcot Centre. Here I'm surrounded by something that's straight from a James Bond movie or Thunderbirds Are Go. Absolutely incredible. Stainless steel, repaired knobs, dials, digits, pumps, lighting, absolutely astonishing. This is sort of back to the old Apollos taking over and me sitting as a young lad in front of a black and white TV, you know, watching Neil Armstrong take off. And here I am in this control room. You know, if they had sound over here, this would really sort it.
12, 11, 10, 9, ignition sequence start.
You know, when you enter projects, when you enter the industry at the level of technology and standards and craftsmanship, and the level of expectation from the nation to deliver things at some of the most historically important properties, there is no room for error. I mean, this is such a historic building and means so much to the people of London, and if not the people of the UK and the world. Absolutely incredible. I am really delighted. In fact, I'm honoured to be here. This is a real privilege. Coming inside Battersea Power Station here today, seeing what Lucas are restoring, conserving, reinstating, the attention to detail is breathtaking. The glass, the steel, stainless steels, dials, it really is quite a magical experience. And I have to say, the team that I've met, the team that I've witnessed working here, really have nailed it. Lucas are set for a great future in heritage.